Heard this beat in my dream.
How are you today? We are going to the Gwangjang Market. And we're here. And we almost missed the entrance. We were walking for like 10 minutes. What's in this? How do you like it?
It's not bad.
It's pretty good. This market is so full. There's stuff everywhere.
That's funny. Wait. Oh my god, there's even an eye on the bottom.
Found an underground shopping center and we found a lot of yarn and little souvenirs and keychains. So we just finished eating lunch. We had some really good dumplings and noodles, and now we're just walking around. We're gonna go to the market. Where are we going? We're going to Dongdaemun shopping center. Just started raining. It looks really gloomy out here now. But we are on our way to
Dongdaemun.
Yes, it's cold here. It's not super bad. My hands are just cold. My body's fine.
Yeah. We're wearing like 5 layers.
How do you like your trip so far?
It's pretty good. It's a lot of walking, but
You're not used to walking?
not this much.
That's what you gotta do when you travel. It's only 11 a.m. right now. We already went shopping, we got food.
We had a great lunch.
Yes. It's actually snowing right now, Lex.
Yeah. Snowing or hailing, we don't know. It's snow.
We just found the wholesale market, the shopping center. So we're just gonna go in here. Hopefully it gets warmer.
Ice just landed on my eye.
You just got boba. How is it?
It's not bad.
You enjoying Korea? What's your favorite part so far?
The market.
The market? What did you buy at the art box?
I got a pencil case. And a stuffed duck.
Yes, I got a Shiba Inu pillow.